Hey, what's going on, guys? Jermaine Cobbins here. In just a minute, I'm going to take you guys over to that computer and I'm going to show you guys how to promote a free book that has the potential of generating up to $967 off one sale. Now, here's the thing. I know what you're thinking, right? How can you promote something free that has the potential to make you money on the back end? And that's what I'm going to share with you guys in just a moment, all right? So let's go ahead and hop over to my computer. Now, anybody can do this, all right? Now, just because anybody can do it doesn't mean that everybody will do it, all right? This actual book right here, .com Secret, maybe some of you guys are familiar with this book, but this book here, guys, has the potential to make you up to $967, all right? So let's go ahead and dive into my computer. Okay, guys, so we're here at my computer, and as you can see here, this is basically a blueprint of your potential earnings from promoting .com secrets. All right, now as you can see right here, just to clarify, you have the potential to make $967. All right, and you're wondering like, how can I make that much money on a free book? All right, here's a layout of the actual funnel that you're going to take people through. Well, when you promote the .com secret book, this is a free book, guys, and only thing that the person has to pay is shipping and handling. Well, when they purchase this book, you're going to earn a $1 commission. So you may be thinking like, well, what's a $1 commission? Well, it's a profit because you didn't invest anything to get people to actually buy this product. But what happens is, the magic on the back end, they're going to be taken through this sales process, meaning you don't have to do anything. All right, Russell and his team does an amazing job of promoting their products, and they convert really well. All right, only thing you have to do is get traffic there, and I'm gonna share with you guys by the end of this video some pretty cool bonuses, how you can get access of working with me, as well as some of my traffic sources. Okay. But what happens is, when someone purchases the .com secret book, you're going to earn a $1 commission. All right. On the back end, there are a few things that take place, like I stated. The first order bump is going to be the black box, which you're going to have the potential to earn $14.80. The second order bump is the 3 funnel bundle, which you're going to earn as well another $14.80. Then you have the one-time offer, which converts really well, because these offers, they make them so irresistible, where you have no choice but to take the offer, right? Because you can't get it nowhere else other than at that time, right? So they convert really well, and which would be the audio book plus bonuses, which can earn you up to $18.80. Then you have the second one-time offer, which is Traffic Secrets. Now I have access to Traffic Secrets, and let me tell you, Traffic Secrets is the bomb.com, man. I mean, it's so many ways to drive traffic in there that it's crazy, right? You also, like I said, have the potential to earn $118.80, and of course, the final page, which will be the thank you page, which promotes funnel builder secrets, and you have the potential to earn $798.80, which all in all, if the person buys each upsell, which it does happen, you have the potential to earn $967 off this free book. Now, here's the thing. There should be a link around this video somewhere, and when you click that link, you're going to be taken over to this page right here. All right. Basically, this is the page where you're going to get a 14-day trial to ClickFunnels. All right. So now I don't know what software that you're using right now to make your landing pages and funnels and things like that. However, you know, ClickFunnels, guys, is literally a no-brainer. Only thing you want to do is click that link, watch this short video, and take the 14-day trial. The idea is, look, within those 14 days, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to personally reach out to you. All right. Within those 14 days, I have a few things that I want to give to you guys for actually taking this 14-day trial. All right. And there it is. That's pretty much it, guys. And like I stated, Russell and his team does an amazing job at promoting those offers, right? They make them basically a no-brainer. So what I want to do is make an irresistible offer for you, all right? Like I stated, there should be a link somewhere around this video. Now, the idea is, when you click that link, once you set up your 14-day trial, what I want you to do is I want you to take a screenshot of the email and send it to me at info@jermainecobbins.com. Once my team receives that email, I got an email set up for you guys, and I'm going to give you access to my share funnel. All right. My share funnel is It's actually converting like crazy, all right? If you're struggling generating leads, having access to this share funnel, you will be able to, of course, generate leads. As you can see, I sent a little over 100 people to this actual landing page, and it converted at almost 50%, right? So the idea is you have that many more people has the potential of looking at what it is that you are promoting, okay? I'm also going to give you guys a 30-minute free discovery call where I'm going to basically find out a little bit about you, your business, your goals, and I promise you, you're going to walk away from that call with a different perspective, as well as I'm going to give you guys access to a solo ads training and also how to find brokers that help you actually give you better results. All right, I don't want to say to help you make sales, but they give you better results and it increases your chances in making sales, and it stretches your dollars more. You know what I mean? All of that, guys. And I got one last thing I want to throw out there. By setting up your 14-day trial, you're also going to get access to using this same training on how you can promote an affiliate product where you're able to generate $200 commissions off one sale, right? No videos, anything, right? You're going to get access to all of that. So all the thing you have to do, guys, is find that link around this video, click that link, set up your 14-day trial, screenshot it once it comes to your email, and email it at info@jermainecobbins.com. I can't wait to work with you guys. See you on the inside. It's your boy Jay Cobb. Be humble, be consistent, be you.